When homeowners call us, their issues range all over the place depending on the season. So right now we're going into the winter season. And so in winter, you see a lot of customers who maybe turned on their heat for the first time and it's not working. And so maybe they know it's time to replace their system, or maybe they have a new system and something maybe isn't configured correctly. And so they need somebody to come take a look at it. Maybe it's a customer who just wants a tune up, or maybe it's a customer who realized, hey, this system that I have is really, really expensive to operate in the middle of winter. I want to figure out something that works better for me and my budget. We also have some customers who are eco-conscious customers, and so they want to get away from fossil fuels, natural gas or oil, and convert to electric heat pumps. And so that's one thing that we see with a lot of customers throughout Massachusetts. And then when you get into the summer, it's kind of the reverse. It's nobody likes to be hot in their home. And so, for whatever reason, somebody doesn't have AC, which a lot of Massachusetts homes don't, or if they have an AC that's not working as efficiently as it should, or just outright isn't working, they give a call because nobody likes to be hot. I've always joked with our staff, in the winter, people are like, yeah, I'll put on a blanket and come in a day or two. In the summer, customers want you there right away, right now. I can't take it anymore. And so it's a very different mentality in the summer that we see from customers.
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need Endless